Okay, guys, when should you avoid strength training? I met with a potential client tonight who's been through some cancer treatment over the last couple of years, and they're doing better, getting back up on their feet, feeling better, gaining some function, but they've lost a lot of muscle, and so they've lost strength, understandably. And so my question today is, if you've gone through cancer treatment and you've experienced what we would call some body wasting, some loss of muscle tissue, is that a condition where it makes sense that you don't strength train because you don't want to overstress your body? And surprisingly, the answer is no. In other words, you should strength training after cancer treatment. We know that strength training improves the quality of life scores for cancer survivors, and we also know that even after going through cancer treatment, muscle responsiveness is still high. That just means the muscles will still respond to a productive training stimulus like a strength workout. You can get stronger, you can get healthier, you can build muscle. All those things still happen even though you've been through cancer treatment. Another good reason why embracing the strength train lifestyle now will help you to live better no matter what health challenges you run into in the future. This is day 499 of Train Like a Champion.